It's you know you can set your settings to automatically skip cutscenes if you've already seen them.
Yes.
I'm enjoying, but okay. I thought this game was to enjoy. No?
Aggro time?
Okay.
Rage check. Fuck your rage check.
Right,
I got aggro. Let's do this. I'm doing my job.
Come here, girl. Stand in the center. Come here, girl. I like how she's like normal size, right? Compared to the rest. I'm lagging. I'm frozen. I'm frozen. Can you guys hear me?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Alright.
Fuck me. I got flood up.
How do you avoid that?
You get in the little safe zones.
Yep.
Like that.
What was the safe zone look like?
I'm lagging pretty bad, you guys, so keep that in mind. I don't know if you can hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay. Oh! Alright, so that was,
Think Buster?
Sword.
I'm
was
reading,
sword.
but it's gonna take a while.
If you call it out, I can
That's an
use
insta-go.
my...
That's an insta-go. You can't damage mitigate that. You gotta do this. There's gotta be some mechanic for that, 'cause that was 18,000 damage. Alright, I'm grabbing the ads all at once.
Oh, you're alive.
Oh
I
yeah.
got him.
You can't keep a good man down.
No, I'm
It's a
still
song,
with
yeah.
Jerome.
I think that's a song
He's
in
dead.
All Dogs Go to Heaven.
I am almost dead.
No, you're not. It's fine. Take this damage, dude.
Trying.
I have number 2 damage, and I was dead. So
I have 3 stacks.
you have 4 stacks, Chief. I'm provoked. Oh, I actually just took my tank stance off. Alright, so this is Diamond Dust. We want to do like a Medica 2 or a shield in the center or something. Cool. Galvanize, that works.
Followed by Medica 2. You can take her?
Yep. Okay, you see the pattern, you know where to go, you know where to go. Just like that.
I got it.
So I have... Damn, she puts those stacks on fast. Alright, take her. Ah!
I'll blow you up.
You take her.
Kill me! What the fuck?
Yeah.
She's got a sword. I have slash resist. You have staff resist. You take her. Once you pull out staff, then we switch it. Okay.
I was medicing. So, that was good.
That didn't work.
Yeah, no, that didn't work. But it did save my life, so... You see the pattern, right? Oh yeah, this is cool.
Oh,
You don't hit the edge! You immediately die if you hit the edge! Oh, so there's a point where you have to like just basically stop moving.
you just have to stand there.
Yeah, you just don't move at all. Yeah. That was not a bad first round. How do we deal with the switching of the sword and the staff stacks? Yeah, the tank
You got the,
buster
was the
thing.
staff or the sword the one where the entire party has to tank it together?
Probably the sword, considering it hit me for 18,000.
Yep. So we gotta. I don't think
I
so.
don't think so. No, I don't think so. Because I mean,
We
the
should-
pattern moves.
We should all pick a direction we're gonna run when we get the ice circle, so we don't stack those.
East.
Right. So I'll go 9 o'clock.
I usually go from 6 to midnight whenever I talk to Wuha.
Okay, I'm going. So I'm going towards D. Nobody else go towards D. What?
Okay. I'm going
towards the center.
Oh, you'll be dead.
Okay. I'm going towards B. Alright, we figured it out, Flood. We did a good job. Alright, see the pattern?
That's it, that's it.
Didn't see it.
Oh! All stacked.
I thought they all went up at the same time. That's what I saw.
You're up. I'm getting flooded up. It's gonna take me a second, but heal.
Okay, so that right there, that ice brand, that is a conal AoE, and it, maybe I do it, so do I turn towards the party for that?
Yeah.
Is that what we do?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta turn her.
Okay, so ice brand, I turn her.
We're getting player one up. Oh fuck, okay.
She's about to do the ads. Alright, I'm grabbing the ads.
Ooh. Don't hit me.
Goodbye.
I'm raising Wuha.
Ooh, I was kind of wrecked. What happened? Glacier bash.
Okay, I got everything. I got the boss and the ads. Okay. I think that's the staff move right there, maybe, right? Heavenly Strike. She's got her sword art now, or sword out now.
I haven't watched the guide, so you can.
I'm dead. Oh, there's no. Yeah, there's no healing. Okay. All right. So, I think the big thing is knowing where the safe spots are on the big AOE, and then me knowing to turn around during Ice Brand. I love the finesse in this move. It's so cool. Alright, you see the opening slots, right? Like
in the middle.
Safe spots.
On the middle, this one it was just open. Now,
Okay,
that one,
You
now-
gotta find the little
yep.
corners.
Like,
Not good.
well, the monk was next to it, but he wasn't in it.
I'm gonna get a beer. I'll be right back.
Womp womp.
Well, that's not how you do it. You gotta solo it like this.
I think we're supposed to stack up again.
Let's definitely wait for
Wait for Timber.
yeah, let's
Oh,
definitely
I'm
wait
here. I'm here.
for okay.
My fridge is right behind me.
That's pretty cool. You know, I really could. No, I couldn't. Never mind. I was gonna say I really could do this in my basement and like just hook it up to the 90-inch and then have all the beer fridge next to me. But nah, I don't want to do that.
You'd have some
No.
duct work in your way.
Trying to do this on a 90 would be probably harder. I think. Yeah, it'd probably be much harder.
Alright, I'm
Party,
back.
we are collectively incompetent.
I had to pee.
No excuses.
See?
We good?
Let us
Go.
have very sorry ineptitude. Alright, are we good, Flood?
Yeah. Good.
Alright, cool.
Zelk?
Nah.
Heal him the most.
Overheal him.
Yeah, overheal him.
Sword.
Okay. But there's no cast time.
There
for
is
that,
no
so
cast.
it's right when she switches that?
Yeah.
Okay,
You gotta-
so it's right when she switches the sword. Okay, very well.
Not in a fucking suit. God damn it.
I'm just dumb, guys. I got this though. I was looking for a cast bar.
There's no cast bar in anything she does.
Okay, so we just like literally have to watch weapons. All right, so move into C.
Damn.
All right, so staff.
Yeah, I got it somewhere. I gotta go get it up though. It's not on my bar, but I can get it. Okay, I go.
Was that the sword or the what was that?
She's got her sword out. Yeah,
Yeah, the sword one. It's kind of like the.
it's kind of scary. It's kind of fucking hard to deal with.
Yeah, that's basically the entire fight. That right there. If you're able to
Yeah.
figure out the sword.
I think so. This is literally just up to the tanks. Like you guys ride or die on whether we can we can do this or not, which we can. But also we can't. Yeah, this is a tank fight. This is all on us. Alright, 3, 2, 1, full send.
Go.
Alright, so she has nothing in her hands right now at all. She picks up her staff.
So don't wait for the animation to finish. Just run when you see the second you see the sword.
Okay.
And then everyone should be bunched up, kind of like where Humbles and I are standing.
Okay, so this is where she picks up her staff. So she's got a staff in her hand now. Okay, everyone spread them. Going to B. Good.
I don't know what B is.
What?
Okay, this is big AoE. Oh god. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. So right after this is when she's about to do sword. She has nothing in her hands right now. Alright, this is the sword. This is the sword. I'm turning to you guys.
Turn it.
I'm facing you guys. Alright,
There we go.
sweet, sweet. That's how we do it.
That's how you do
Alright,
it,
just
yeah.
gotta pay attention to her stances. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, this is where she summons ads.
I'll get him.
Cool. Oh, okay. I missed it that time. My fault, guys.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I went up.
I was looking at the ads. I know you had the ads, but I was looking at them.
Fucking shit, what was that?
It was me.
Our tanks
Yeah,
are all
it was me.
dead.
I'm here. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh god.
Yep. That's why I picked D.
Why don't we just start spread out? Why don't we just start spread out?
No, because you gotta tank the. Because we all need to be together to tank the
Ice
sword.
brand. Yeah, the ice brand is the biggest mechanic in this fight.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I'll be northeast. I'll be 2 o'clock.
I'm southeast.
Northwest is open. Yeah.
I got east.
I'm going towards wheat.
Got it. Oh, 5 o'clock. Got it. Done.
It's okay, I don't need heals in this first part. Except for Timber's regen. Hal is dead.
You're up to boo. Thank you, boo.
Alright, this is staff.
Are you sure?
No, that's sword. That's sword. That's sword.
Turn it.
I did. We're safe.
There we go.
Okay, so it does change every time, so it's not always the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm at B. Cool, sweet. Okay, Okay, that's staff. Alright, so everything's cool for staff, right? I just
Staff.
gotta chill. Health
Oops,
forms.
shit, I went the wrong way. My bad.
You lied! You lied!
My
you
bad. I
lied.
forgot. I went D because I thought it was D before.
Okay, this is where she summons the ads, and this is where she fucked me last time because I saw her jump up in there to summon the ads. I didn't pay attention to her stance to it. Okay, so she has nothing in her hands right now. Everyone kind of stay in the center because she's swapping to staff right now. No, it's a sword, Everyone kind of. It's hard to tell at first, so they're all kind of long range weapons, or they're all kind of big weapons. Alright, so that's handled. We're good. Okay, I'm stunned.
Alright, ad's done.
Alright, she's in a diamond dust. And that's first phase, easy. Alright, clean. So like I said, as long as I don't fuck that up, we're good to go.
You're the man, buddy.
What you got? Blunt resistance is down.
Oh yeah, big time.
Should I switch?
Staff hurts. We'll see what she picks. If she picks staff, then yes. Maybe. I don't know.
She picked first the
We
whole
can't
party.
switch that fast.
Oh, I think that we're
Oh,
close.
wouldn't push that fast.
Look at that.
Okay, so she...
I'll just pick her up right now.
Okay. Save spots with the center. Save spots with the center. Save spots are not the center. Oh god, I'm so sorry, Flood. You're gonna have to take this
Good.
though.
Thanks.
I got out of range. You're good.
Woo!
Good job, Zelka.
Alright, she switched. Oh no, no, no.
So now she'll probably do her weapon skill.
She always like levitates in the air right before she
Yeah.
does it. Like she's gonna go like way up in the air. Get to the save spots, which is everywhere. It's the center.
The fuck?
Okay,
Oh,
don't
don't
move. Don't move.
I
Okay.
need a raise if you can do it.
Okay, she's switching. That's Bo. What does Bo do?
That.
Okay, does that. Does that.
Yeah.
Very well. So do we just face that? Do we just face tank that?
Let me look up bow. Bow form. Deals more damage.
She's hurting a lot. I think we're fine. I think we're fine. Oh god.
Ooh, I'm in ice. I'm in an ice boulder.
Oh shit, that means you're dead.
I got her.
Got her? Okay, I'm gonna try to help out Timber.
I'll try to bring her back to middle. Where we were.
Probably a good idea. Timber, no!
I'm dead. Thanks, man.
Oh no, humbles. It's okay, cause I'm a god. Okay, this is where we don't move. Don't move a fucking muscle. Do we have enough to divide the damage if she does sword?
Probably not. Can you take her?
Yeah,
Yeah.
got her.
She does 18,000 damage when she does her.
Yeah. Goodbye, all of us. Okay, here's the switch. It's bow. Okay, it's bow. I don't know what that means for me, but it's probably gonna
She
kill
just
me.
does more
That's
damage.
13,000 damage. Okay. So that's probably a divide too, right? Like 13,000 damage isn't gonna work.
Ah,
We got her pretty fucking low though. Good shit, Timber. Good shit.
Right.
Okay, so you need to stand directly behind her to avoid the bow damage, the bow form.
Okay, so just move. So it's stationary.
Yeah.
Just a turret.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. That's easy. That's easy. All right, we can do this then. That was the biggest thing. Was the bow thing.
Yeah.
It was the sword thing. Now it's the bow thing. But I think it's simple as fuck. Let's go.
And
You guys are doing great. Thanks, guys, for taking for us.
So she's
She's
switching.
got-
That's staff. That's staff.
so I'm just gonna move.
This is the hailstorm.
Oh,
Hey,
Zero is going
Timber.
I'm 5 o'clock, brother.
Okay, safe spots. Safe spots. We're
Are there any safe
all
spots?
good. Yeah, there's
Yeah,
definitely
there are.
safe spots. All right, she's switching.
corner.
That's sword. I'm moving to you guys. Sweet. This is gonna be easy collab. As long as we don't forget to not move when she casts permafrost. This is gonna be easy collab. Yeah, I mean, well, actually, I don't know. I just saw it kind of pop up last time. It was pretty fast, but all right, she's at sword again. Group up, group up, group up, group up. All right, we're solid. We're solid. I'm stunned. Okay, that scared me because all my skills went away. I thought I died.
We got you, brother.
Okay. DPS check until she does diamond dust. Not really DPS check, but just DPS phase. Nothing special here.
You got way too many. Yo, I'm taking her. I'll take her after Diamond Dust.
I ain't scared of no Shiva. What are these stacks called? Blunt resistance. What's she gonna do?
Smack you.
I guess.
She's gonna be blunt.
59 damage. Alright, you got her?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make sure we keep an eye on permafrost. That happens soon. Okay, she's switching stances now. Staff. Hailstorm. Split.
Ooh,
You're okay. You're okay.
Shit.
Everyone's fine. Everyone's fine.
I got ease up.
We did it, kinda. Yeah.
There
Oh
you
shit!
go.
I have her. I didn't know I had her. I'm sorry, guys. She's facing you guys. What does she have in her hand? Staff. Okay.
Should I take her back?
If
Ease you up or no?
Nope. Now I'm up.
Hey, I'm
I'm
covering
not
you.
scared of her, but if you okay, yeah, that's fine. Cover's good. I like cover. I like cover a lot. Okay. Don't stand. Safe spots. Safe spots. That's not the safe spot. Permafrost, don't move.
Oh, fuck. I moved.
Okay, everything is fine. She's switching to bow. I'm moving. Oh, bitch! You ain't getting me with that. I'm a god. She did get woo with it. But that's because he was frozen. Oh, I'm not scared of anything anymore.
You get me out of this ice cube, I could get woo up.
Tell the monk. I'm gonna turn her. Fuck it, I'm turning her.
Thanks, Zero. MVP.
Oh yeah, that was bad. That was bad. That was bad. All right, I'm tanking her with the ice on me.
I got float up.
I'm gonna try to see if I can beat up the ice.
Save spots and stuff. She's switching stances. She's got staff. So hailstorm. Spreading to A. Oh god, Zero no.
Oh shit! Sorry, Blake. Sorry, P1.
Ooh,
No, you're okay. Permafrost, don't move.
ah,
I got my map turned around.
Ah damn. What was that? That was just a hit. That was just straight damage.
I'm slow raising. Player 1. Nope, I'm dead.
So like when she goes to permafrost, like she turns the floor a different color and like the center is like free. That's kind of like the way I tell.
Where are the safe zones when she does the hailstorm?
It's kind of like it's like overlapping circles, right? So you see like
Yeah.
like I wish I could.
You have to go between
Odd.
The edges, right?
curves.
Yeah.
It's like head directly west or directly north. There's usually a small sliver at the edge of the circle that's safe.
Yeah, so it's like if you have like two butt cheeks, right? Like you're trying to go for the crack.
middle
You're
of the
trying to
ass
go into the crack. Yeah, you're trying to go right in the middle of the ass crack.
Okay.
Choose some crack.
I gotta go 5, homie.
Zero's yelling at me when I went to the right spot.
And
Okay.
she's got a staff.
Staff.
I'm gonna, yeah,
Solid.
just start moving
How's
the
it going?
second you see staff. That Zelk bastard just not moving at all.
Yeah, you just kind of. All right, safe spots to see the butt cracks.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, nice.
Oh.
Okay, she's switching. That sword. I'm coming to you guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Stack up.
Wonderful.
Dude, I kind of like. She was kind of like my bitch now.
Is she?
Yeah.
Is she though?
She's switching to sword
Fucking
again.
holy.
Group up, group up, group up. Ah!
Whew.
Yeah, I wasn't scared. You were scared. Zelk's got an ad all by himself over
Missing
there.
an ad, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. I got you up.
Move.
We just burst and do what we can. Yeah, I am fucking up my rotations on this one because I'm paying too much attention to her. But that's okay.
Staying alive is better than having a perfect rotation.
Yeah. I'm still third though.
First.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get mana right now.
Who's first?
Flood. Flood's number 1. He's number 2. I'm number 3. Zero's number 4.
Bam. Playing that ninja like a boss.
Yeah. You have huge. Oh well, never mind. He's just the biggest direct hit crate. He's got fucking 36% direct hit rate. That's pretty insane. Okay, stay in the center. We're all safe here. Okay, she's changing weapons. She's got a staff, hailstorm, spread out. Did it? Okay, get ready for the permafrost. It's coming up pretty soon.
Oh, I'm taking her. Oh,
I
shit.
got player 1 up.
That was just a auto attack damage because all the stacks. Okay, so we do need to swap when I get too many staff stacks. That was just auto attack damage. She was hitting for 4k an auto attack.
I got
Raisin Silk.
Okay, don't stand in the center. Oh god. Ah! I'm safe. Flood. God. All right, permafrost.
What did I do?
Don't move.
Ooh.
Good shit, guys. Good shit. All right, she's
I'm
switching
stuck in that-
to
I'm
Bo.
stuck in
Get out of the way,
crystal.
woo. Run behind her, woo. Run behind her, woo.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Well, I'm getting flood up. Oh, fucking Woo's dead. Okay, I'm still getting flood up. I'm gonna get Woo up too. Okay.
I'm Someone's coming to my house.
Ooh.
I hope not.
I literally got raised and then put right back into a crystal.
Yeah, because you can't be standing there. It's an auto.
I couldn't move.
Yeah.
I literally was raised and then I got shot right into the thing.
Okay, she's switching to what is that? Staff? Nope. Sword and shield. Everyone group up on the eye. Let's see what we can. Okay, we avoided that. That's fine. And then spread out if you can.
Fucking hell, I'm dead.
Permafrost.
Damn it.
The fuck?
Woo. We gotta try to break Wu out if we can. Glacier Bash, what does that do? That's a Tank Buster, okay. Oh, that's the Tank Buster stun, okay. Cool. Glad I know that now. Whiteout, I don't know what that does. It's probably a Tank Buster too. Oh, that's something we gotta get in the center for. Big AoE, we gotta get like honor ass for. Wu's gonna die if we don't break him out. We gotta hurry. I'm gonna
You've got
die.
a double LB if you want to use it.
That'd be you, brother.
Ah, I got him out. I
I'm
don't know if I got
dead.
him out in time though. To the center. Okay, she's switching to Bo. Get out from in front of her. Everybody.
Ah,
What? I was behind her. I was with you.
You made that up. Ah, Tank LB. Oh my god. Okay. 25%.
Right. Zelda,
Oh shit! Sal,
Let
what are you
him
doing? What are you doing?
Let him die. And don't raise him. Whole fight. It's a
Get that
sword.
sword. Group up. Solid. Okay. Save zones.
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Hellstorm.
I'm going to be.
Quits party after this run.
Are we really not reviving him?
Switching stance. She's got sword. Group up. Good. I'm stunned. That was the Tank Buster.
Yeah, so when you get to like 8 stacks, we switch. You're at 4,
Autos are hitting pretty good.
6.
When she switches to blunt, it's gonna be serious. So after the diamond, just take her. After the diamond, just take her, because she's gonna
Okay.
switch to staff and she's gonna do some serious fucking pain. I'm gonna shirk to you.
I can just provoke her. It's fine.
Maybe. Got her.
How bad was his DPS? Was he like the
I don't
lowest?
believe you. Okay. Okay, she switched to staff. Yeah, definitely make sure you have her. Hailstorm, going to B. Solid. We're flying through it now. Out of the center. Safe spot. Permafrost, don't move.
Shit, sorry. Caught that late.
We're good. She's switching to Bo. Stay behind her.
You got 0? Okay.
I'm gonna try to pull her back to the center.
Oh, why'd you take her back?
I didn't. She just came back to me. Here, I'm gonna shirk to you. You can take her. Alright, shirked.
Ooh, what the fuck is that?
Okay, I'm coming, Humbles. I'm coming,
Yeah.
boy. Call out for if she's doing something. I can't watch her cast bar anymore because I'm getting Humbles out. Look at that deeps, Humbles. I know you like that.
I had you too, brother.
Yeah, there you go with the stones. All right, center.
She got
Can't see it because there's a lot of shit. It's staff,
E.
Hellstorm. Oh god, we stacked up pretty good.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Damn.
That was
Sorry
pretty
about
bad.
unfuck me.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
No worries.
Yeah, there you go. DPS limit break. Okay, dig it. Dig it. Okay. Ooh, how you feeling, man? How you feeling?
Feeling pretty good.
Okay. Permafrost, don't move.
I mean, there's no point in switching now. Just kill her.
Yeah.
Focus on rotation at this point.
I'm getting Zelk up.
Yo, did we just
I'm,
7-man this thing?
Yeah, we did. It was much easier without the guy fucking it up the whole time. She's dead.
Fuck yeah.
Boom!
No commendations. No commendations.
Because we got the 25% buff, and then what's it called? Like the healers aren't using up their first heals on like their first reses on stupidity.
Zelk, he loves us.
He's stacking up the AoE. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to vote. Whatever.
Which one do you want? I rolled a 98 on it. I'll give it to you. I didn't know. I don't know.
I got the bracelet because I'm a god. I didn't get the com. It wasn't me.
Here, Luna, right? You want it, right, Humbles? All right, here. Unable to execute while bound by duty. All right. I think we got it. I'll give it to you. Can I have fucking Moogle gram it to you or something? Uh,
To Ifrit. That was
Are
the
we
plan,
good?
right?
Is everyone still solid? No one dropping out?
Look.
Are you awake?
Yeah, give me like 5 minutes to smoke a cigarette.
Yeah. Go ahead and smoke. Good job, Floyd. Floyd got top DPS in that one by a pretty large margin. He beat me out by 120 DPS.
120,000?
120 DPS damage per second.
I think it's because when the ads come in, I drop a whole bunch of AoE, which really brings up my DPS.
The thing is, so it has a timer, right? It tells you, so if we're not actively fighting for like 10 or 15 seconds, the whole parse resets. So after the ads drop and she does her diamond dust and we're all frozen, the parse resets in phase 2. So all of that doesn't get calculated in. So it's all single target damage.
Interesting.
Yeah, I know.
where are you?
Me? I'm in.
Do you
I'm
want
sorry, not Woo.
one of these days? Do you got a couple of minutes? I want to have that thing loaded on mine as well. I just have no idea how to do it.
Yeah, me too. Can you see me? I'm by the purple thing. Alright. Let me see how I can trade this shit. I don't really know how to do it, to be honest. Put armor in
Okay,
shit.
so after Ifrit, I mean, we're probably not going to get to it tonight, but like after Ifrit, what are we doing? So we can all prepare.
Diabolic Bismarck, Thok around the clock, and when the bow wakes, or maybe not when the bow wakes. Is that a trial?
Yeah. Get our
For
fundamentals.
Savage.
Oh yeah, because they do come out with. Yeah, they are coming out with isn't
Unreal.
it? Yeah, Unreal.
Unreal.
Yeah. That's what it's called. I'm kind of hungry now.
Oh, cool.
Can't at the moment. I'll wait until after this one though. Then I'll help you. That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, but a lot of the mechanics that we just saw, like they just repeat again and again in Savages, just with smaller windows.
But I mean, you gotta think about this, guys. Like we just 7-manned an extreme blind. You know, we learned it on the fly, adjusted blind,
Yeah, that was easy. That was the
7-manned
best
it.
one
You
we've
know
done
what
by
I'm saying?
far.
Like we're getting better. We're getting significantly better.
That was no Moogle fight, that's for sure.
Like that was, yeah, that was.
Dude.
Like
The
we're getting.
Moogle fight is probably more complicated because there's so many. Like it's hard. There's like 8 things on the map. There's like 9 things on the map.
Yeah, it's annoying. I hate it.
Yeah, avoiding those AOE's and yeah.
Yeah, memorizing muscle memory, the patterns. Where to go before it happens. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
For sure, for sure. And we're winging it pretty well, which means if we get to the high level point, like we're gonna be able to fly. Well, obviously, yeah. But only like the top 2% are like beating those right now. Like, those are like really recent content. That's like really, really recent content.
What?
Can't do that.
I don't. I don't
have-
see. I don't see ultimates.
I don't have. Yeah, I don't have it unlocked yet. Gonna go watch Humble stream.
Oh god, Humble
Watch.
stream is so great. It's a very solid stream.
Damn, dude, your bars are pretty ugly. Wow.
Hmm.
That's amazing. Oh, they have the Coil of the Bahamut ultimate? Ooh, that's good. Coils of Bahamuts are pretty serious. Yeah, so like you gotta know like your combos and you gotta know when to line up your burst windows with party raid wide buffs. Like Battle Litany, Trick Attack, all that other stuff. Alright, well I'm second on the DPS, so I'm probably pretty good. fucking tank busters. Might want to see stuff like that. Well, I don't know because you said DPS checks. I don't know. Like I feel like Dark Knight would be good for stuff like that because the Blackest Night is like a safety net for a lot of people.
Doesn't feel like
We'll get there.
Let's
Or
let's
maybe we won't. You know. Maybe
let's
we
pass
won't. Maybe
our
we won't.
extreme on the first try, and then we can talk about that.
Yeah.